18 to 21% CAGR is there. It's there in a lot of funds. What you just need to also keep in mind is वो time पे आपका inflation 6-7-8% था for the majority of the period. This inflation number has come down only the last 2-3 years. So on a relative basis, you were making 18 to 21 minus say 7-8% inflation. I think that number will now come down to a more realistic 12 to 15%, which itself is huge.
Yeah,
it's absolutely huge if it compounds at that level. Anybody in the global markets, you tell them 10% and above, we will just give you. So from an India perspective, 12 to 15 is huge with a 3%, 4% inflation handle. So net you do make that kind of alpha in that sense, and therefore your wealth grows. So no, I think it will happen. That's my belief. It will definitely happen. Whoever gets in early and plays it out, and he's just structured about his expectations in the right manner, they will benefit. Signs of it. My son just came back from the US holiday, first year engineering kar raha hai udhar. Two of his friends basically called him up and said, just ask your dad, kaun se fund mein SIP karu? And I was surprised. They are not earning right now. They are studying. But if that kind of question is coming to me, I like it.
Of course.
And it's anecdotal evidence that these guys are going, they are understanding, they're looking it up, or their curriculum there has taught them this, and they want to get into it early. It's a refreshing change, and I think it's happening.
आज अगर वो निवेश करें और अगले 20-25 साल तक करें, तो मैं एग्जैक्ट नंबर नहीं कह रहा, नहीं तो मैंने कहा कुछ स्कीम्स थी 18 भी हो सकता है, बट ये बहुत बड़े नंबर है, 18-20% कंपाउंडिंग.
It's huge, absolutely huge.